Hi everybody, in today's quick tips, we're going to talk about the native porterweed, this cutie back here, and how she can make a wonderful addition to your South Florida garden. This is a wonderful pollinator attractor plant, super tough. So, you all ready to dig in? Let's grow. Right here, you can see the native blue porterweed. This is a project I did for the Parks Department. We just had installed a few months ago. And when I'm designing a garden space with porterweed, I like to put them 24 inches apart on my plans so that they have room to fill in, and it also helps control weeds. This beautiful plant is a fast grower, and she produces these wonderful purple to blue flowers. Here you can see some bees. They love this plant. It is a huge pollinator attractor to bees and butterflies. Wonderful plant. It is a great plant for sun or part shade. She'll do better and flower better in full sun. There is also a coral porterweed. It is not native, but it also has a beautiful flower, very, very strong salmon color. Again, it's not a native, but it looks very similar to the other plant in its form and the way the flowers proliferate along those beautiful spikes. Now on soil, I like to have a custom mix, a well-drained loam, and we like to have it in this ratio. Take 2 parts potting mix, mix it with 1 part worm castings, 1 part perlite, and then 1 part native soil. Mix that all together and then add it to the planting pit for your plant. Now on watering, this is a drought-tolerant plant after she's established. So you can water her probably 3 times a week while you're getting her established for the first couple months, and then 1 time a week thereafter, after she gets established. But that's a very important thing to take away, is that this is a tough Florida native. Now on fertilizer, we recommend using a simple 20-20-20 slow release in March and May. And you always do want to check with your city on when you can fertilize, because there's issues with trying to get make sure fertilizer doesn't get into water bodies. But to help pump out a little bit more blooms later in the summer and early into fall, we like using like a slow release 394. There's I believe a Dr. Earth has one that I really like. With pest problems, this plant is pretty tough. There's not many pests that bother this plant. And there you have it, the native blue porterweed. Such a great plant for your South Florida garden. Thanks for joining us. If you have any thoughts or questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I get back to you. And until the next video, bye. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell your friends and family. We post videos weekly. Thanks.